Driving user acquisition on a mobile app? Your digital advertising is being affected by invalid traffic and ad fraud. TrafficGuard enables mobile app advertisers to detect and prevent up to 50% previously undetected invalid traffic and up to 30% misattribution, helping you to drive increased growth and return on ad spend. Compared to conventional fraud tools that operate during or after app install attribution, TrafficGuard blocks invalid traffic at the click level, making sure only valid traffic is sent to the MMP for attribution. TrafficGuard is fully independent and transparent, so you'll only pay the right partners for the performance they've delivered and benefit from full-funnel, real-time analytics. Once an install is attributed to the wrong network, this can snowball into a larger problem. TrafficGuard blocks invalid traffic before install attribution occurs and ensures that invalid clicks are not included in the attribution pool. TrafficGuard enables you to broaden your user acquisition strategy by adding channels and only real customers your way, helping you to maximize your return and optimize based on real data across all your channels, allowing you to get the most out of every campaign. Join the world's leading mobile app advertisers globally with full funnel invalid traffic prevention today.